All right, I'm in Costa Rica and I flew into the San Jose airport yesterday, right over there. And instead of going all the way into town, I stayed in Alajuela, which is right here by the airport. It saves a lot of time and a lot of money. I got a cheap hotel just a few blocks from here, so all I did was walk. And you can go on from here to the border if you want to go back to Nicaragua like I am, or part of the way, Liberia is where I'm going to go tonight. So it's 4 hours from here to Liberia, and then about another 2 hours to the border. And you can come in here and buy your tickets. My bus, they said, is 15 minutes from now. Right here is where you buy your tickets. Ticket is 4,795 colones. So that would be about 10 bucks from here to Liberia. This is the route is San Jose to Liberia. All right, so I'm catching my bus to Liberia here at the Radial bus stop. So we're on the way to Liberia from San Jose, and we made a stop for 20 minutes for a restroom break or get something to eat here in the restaurant. All right, finally made it to Liberia. 5 hours later, left at 12:30. It's 5:30 now. There's a lot of traffic. Anyway, this is the Liberia bus station. This is where you buy your tickets and junk food, and there's restrooms over there. Anyway, back in Liberia, got to go to my hotel now.